Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
One dep.
Please do not mislead the house. What mislead? Ya kata ngakan penmi ya kata kantin kiwan dep.
Kakong deity H Majau Executive Member Bakmi Yaktanat Law jongka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council wajubab yakjinkali jongka MDC na nongpo constituency kakong Ronak Himden kalethu bakidon Hynriew tadi ki village court ki Treikam Hapoh Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council kakong deity kalethu bakini ki Hynriew tadi ki village court ki kanthop mi kanongjri village court bahab Hapoh kanongjri sirdarship ka Tirna village court ka bahab Hapoh ka Tirna sirdarship ka village court Walong sirdarship ka village court right nongse ka bahab Hapoh ka Soyong lingdoship ka Tinrong village court bat ka Mauba village court ka bahab Hapoh ka Hima Meliam
Ala iyo ikut jubab bagi don tang Hynriew Tylli ini ki village court ki ba function Hapoh ka district council jongi te namar bagi don Hynriew Tylli Master Chairman sa ngasyuk kwa apat ban yok jingtip ya kata teng bat ki jaka ka pamut ki shnong ki ba kita ki village court ki Treikam na kita ki Hynriew Tylli ki keteng jong kita ki Hynriew Tylli ki village court ki ba function menta ki bala approve ru da ka executive committee ki de ka number 1 ki de ka nongjri village court nongjri sardarship ka Tirna village court Tirna sardarship village court Walong sardarship village court Rat Nongse Soyong lingdoship Tinrong village court bat ka Hynriew kadai ka Maubo village court ka bahab Hapoh ka Hima Meliam kublai shibun Master Chairman sa ngalayo ika jubam but sakawe ngakwa ban benram ki ai pade ki kemdon ki ba don kam na ka banta ban seng lane ban establish ya kine ki village court Fidapet hakadika chapter 2 jong kanika Khadc Hills Autonomous District Administration of Justice Rules 1953 kala I clearly yafi haka chapter 2 ya ka constitution jong ki courts nangta kala abatay shai haka di ka rule 5 mo ka constitution of village courts kumno ban constitute ya ka village court lada don ka way na di atli village court ngila ban ay ka way ka village court bay nangta hakpo kani ka village court pada ka composition jong karu kala ay tikna haka di ka hapo kani ka rule 5 mo ka composition jong ka kata ka village court pini undai u serdar us imraj u basan lingdo lingskor ne u headman jong ka village nama ka ya pair ka village court fi but kani ka additional village court additional subordinate district council court te ka ya pair ba ka village court ka village court kan dai be kata ba head hamta undai be u chairman te undai u chairman pade undai be u serdar dan u imraj dan u basan u lingdo u lingskor dan u headman of the village ti hang ni ru pendapat hakani ka rule 5 kila batai syai ba hakani ka rule 5 para 2b kalau ong ban not less than 2 or more than 6 tem 6 members ki di bandon hakani ka village court they not more than 6 but not less than 2 ka bamut ndai dunai ka balani ban palat ya kan Hynriew ngut tingi la bandon yu ya nang ta ya kani ka ban snai ka village court ru hab yo hi ka approval jong executive committee nang ta pade uni kila sutu mata yu chairman nang tangi don yu vice chairman ru kumju ada don kanu ka ba u chairman u absent tu vice chairman u la ban chime ka jaka jong nang ta pade u secretary ru u de bandon ha kan ka village court ka ba kila appoint yu uru from the members ki badon hang tu ha ka village court te ngatharai mo kalong very clear ba kanika rule 5 kala batai syai fi ya ka composition jong kanika village court sa kandiat Master Chairman sa sai wei jingkali hato ka don ne em ka jing penmang bane ka ba la ai lengba ka office jong ka district council ka jongi lada ka don ka village court hakabayade bat ka infrastructure nangka ki staff lane ki kerja financial support ya kini ki village code bakin la ban function bah ban penyai ya ka jing Treikam ka jengki ngathai ya kata ti ngadikwa notice namal ba haka ba mentahi ngampala ban batai pi kita te ngathai require notice namal ba kum ka jingkeli ba fibu yang la penbiang ba kita ki village code te ya kata kabade pat ya kata ka jingkeli te ngan habdon kam por menjubab pi okay ta ka biang chairman sir
Songkonor badon prom nak kalian keconga kuat bantu ke supplementary habis bat kini ki village code kumba kapau ni naki Hynriew Tylli ki village code ki badon nama keladu lai Tylli ki datang napo ke Sheila constituency mereka belengok kalau ba ke Sheila village code kadai gawai naki code ki belong aktif ah dengan kami ok nak kalian jeng IM ba in ya tu ini ya ka kimdon ka Sheila village code la se ngaku aban tip nak ai ka daw ya se ka kamdon record na kumno ngaku aban yo jing sai halo kani
kani ka village code kibawan mentas khaman banwan banwan renew yel de hadu menta kide kita kini Hynriew Tylli Hynriew ngalong ipi ba kibun ki village code kibla approve da kanika district council da ka executive committee na do usnem 1950 hadu mentang idang bun be hi tang balong kidang bun kiba pending kiban wan chakma naman kumbang yu ihang ni ha ka rule book ngui ba ka debit sansnem ka tenure jeng ki Hynriew hadu mentang kadang dan be ka pending okay dia ya kata haru hi ya ki village codes jong ka Sheila within Sheila confederacy ngong ma within Sheila confederacy kibun bahang ni ti ngatarai baki muan chakmat ban biang ban renew ya kata te ngi hadu mentang ngi pat yo jeng tip hadu mentang
syakna buram ngalong confused ya ka jubab sama IM yong baki don shibun ki village code ki bada sedang nadu ki senam ki bamunchua tenrei iong pada ba kimuan sakhamat ban renew kamut kadai kadon kapor ban renew iki ngakwa mene sai ta
hoi da kadon kapor hakani hi PDI hakani ka rule book jong kani ka administration of justice kala ai chai kala pen pau shai ba ka tenure jong ki kan dei back sansnem 5 years tenure mud after 5 years kadon comeback ya ka renewal ban reconstitute ya ka committee jong ki ya ka village code jong ki te hadu menta ki ba wan hi ban renew ki de kini Hynriew Tylli te apart from that ki ba bun ba ki snong within the Himas ki kleng wan ban renew with but ki ilaka ro kumjo ki bun ki ilaka ro ki ba kleng wan ban renew hadu menta te ki bun ki numbers la da fikwa ngala ban provide ya kita ki kerteng jong kita mo ndaka jingpan ka permission na po i chairman bang in place before this house okay the table of the house
kandiat songkonor ka syukwa ban penbek kebangaong mga kadi ka Sheila village code kamdi ka Sheila confederacy kadi ka additional subordinate code ring yakren menta ya ka village code nakapakajing ong jonga kadi ya ka Sheila village code dito tika don ne empat kajing penkan mau nakaliang ka office yakini ki village code ki bamuan renew
hoi house name hau tarik ke balai po September hajar apu nang ni na ka executive committee ngilap ha yakini ki notice banwan ban penthamai bang ya baro ya ka additional ru kumjo but yakini ka village code ru
khadu last khubli shibun ni ka jubab ni piong na do ka snam mereka jikwa dengan kalong hakani ka tem jong pi ka ki ai ni em ka jing pen mau ka
oi nama ba pe shwa bangin lech khmat ya kani ni don kam ya ka por ke lada ngila ai ki no do 2022 ngimla ban ai si ai ti ya ke reminder ni hap up hiru ya ki nama ka syong kamon juki la ki kwa banwan sya kaman bakin renew ya katale la na kim kwa te mentang imla ban chu fo ki ken banwan chakman benong register ne reconstitute te mentang ngidang don hi ka meeting ngidang ya syong kumno ban le halo jong kani la dengin I reminder ya ki
Mr. Chairman mo ngamla sya ya ke jubab ni ban ong ba kamde yang iban fos kani ka de ban penne pansa ya giriti dustur ka ni penne ya ka an ka bangi council ni don te ka de ka kamera ban juga council ban sim khia wala da de ban li ai ka awareness ki shnong bagin don ni ka village school nakaliang ka office ni ban sim khia
oi
kumla ban ong ba ban juga ba oh da kiwan man dep
kamu please do not mislead the house. What mislead? Ya kata ngakan penmi kata kantin kiwan dep. Mana ba ang ta?
Kiong mentang.
Namla kiwan ngimla dapat posisi. Namanya ladam ayat al-hajar al-Quran. Sebab mislead tu kita
Treikam ladap jubab ya kata.
Kon kali ni yang gibun gini village code. Tengila banyo ahne house mentah kan utuli village code kidon in total.
Iam bila ong baisah ai Hapoh katul jangka.
Tok kapaar kalong ba katkum ka jubab jung iam makidon nang really functioning village code. Taka jingkali mentah kwa pantit hato begini village code kum mangitip kidon bun teli. Kitu gi bampat renew hato karai bikimi nak kitu village code ka syong nong rem ne am haba renew mentah.
Hangani ke administration of justice rules claim tho halor jang kata ki claim ong ba lada ki claim one renew ba kandon ke kandon ka ban tho ba kan long null and void ya kata ka ne kan long invalid ne null and void ne unlawful ya kita ki mo ki judgment ne ki pronouncement ne ki orders ba mi nang ne te haduk mentang ngimdon ha kata ka jing tho hadai ki de man tho thu pat na ka jing tho pat hang ni ba ong san snem ba dai ban renew ngatharai kata kalong ngilatip ba every 5 years ka renewal ka di bandon
Ambaling kali kan nga jingkali kalong ba bun sien habami ginu girai ni village code dhawpoi sane ha house hang ne ha district council teng kami ka jingkantien bagi ong ba kane ka village code jong phing par recognize na phim par renew tingim la ban pedang kan nga rai ki ten nakaliang jungi ni kerpat ba nakaliang jong phi ka isi menta bi pinchim khia kan nga kam ong gini village code baro pasubha ban renew nang bagi kam ki jam ha kisnong ki thau penya ta
Hoi kuno shibo dia kata kajeng ai jembut jong pi te ngin sale ya ka badon kam
Syuknor budon burom ngarung aku ban supplement lang jingkeli beri ngarung amda kam tibha syapangka village code functioning teng ko ban keli iam in charge kai ka duty but kai ka system about function but kai ka kam ram jong ka village code bakile na kapor habib kibat ya ka kam
kata kadau mo everything is written clearly borok la tho nakabashay ha kani ka administration of justice rules sakadau kumki MDC ngan ong bang pi namang idon hang ni kumki MDC ki bla syajit economic mat ngi nga tharai ningpong ngi de bantip hai ka bala tho hang ni te ngi de bantip yi kita ngi de ban but ngi de bantip te hang ni ru ki la de tho ya ka civil hang ni la de tho ba ka village code ka la
Syukur katrai iam in chupunshai ka jingkeli jonga bergadi ka bor jingkeli ngai squat tang bin penshai kata ngam da kwa than bin elaborate than
Tu ngai la ba in pensai.
Ka powers ju ka code ka la don ka chapter 3 ka chapter 3 ka la I clearly ya ka village code suits and cases to be tried by the village courts hang ni ka village code ka la ong kum no cases of civil nature kila ban try provided that if immovable property is in dispute, the property must be situated within the jurisdiction of the village. Taladadon kano kajingya kan an jaka puta balong immovable mo. Te kata ka jaka ka dibandon within the jurisdiction of that village court. But jong kata ka village court. Tiki criminal case pan lada ki try. Mut ki criminal case ru lada ki try. Kinhap try ya ki case ki balong barit. Day kimla ban ai punishment pan kamla ban ai imprisonment Kamdan ka power ban imprison you no hande ngila ban I punishment ya ki case ki berit kum ki petty theft kum jingia shwa ke jingi buat hasnong ita ka village court kadon ka power nangta ban punishment ban I ka compensation ru ka punishment ka debit hispa sampu tingka kum batho ang ni ngan batai fi kum bala to ane ba a village court shall not be competent to pass a sentence of imprisonment in any criminal case. It shall have power to impose a fine for any offence. Một cái nó có offence ka badet, kila ben impose fine.
Syukur kababuram IEM ngalasai katu ngakli thik kumno ki function ngalasutu kat kum ka rules ka akal adan ngasukli phi because kalong interesting yang beri menta kalong ka bokongsan dangidon kum kini ki village code Hapoh ki urban area ru because dadan ino ijingja ibarat ni baheru kilakuloi plat bendit cakaying mo politik ngakwa bentip kenang bangaru ngan yo ben Treikam lang baki dor barsnong inyo ailat yaki kenang bengin yo emnong kata
Dan kajingnya
Further, Mr. Isong Kedoan, haba member udang keren. Ailat IEM idiban syong. But habi IEM keren. Member unsyong. Ndre ni keren haga jo kapor kam internet kan dia.
ya ngasu yang teringat keren kalau show ingat sakeren.
Iban ailat member keren.
to kamnele ngashkwa ban kli ba ki kriteria bagin dakwa ban form yang ka village code Hapoh ki urban area ngakwa ban tip kata
Ke village code tu kum tahi ka kriteria kum baho. Kadi bendon san
Hapoh urban area ya kadon ke differences
there's nothing. Kadon ke village code.
because Hapoh urban area pi om dan
Kata
differences
ngasno kalau along kum discussion
Kata ngapai mat mo.
asal hanginistik ya kajing kali ngasno kalau along kum discussion penban. Okay, tengah island IEM coba in juga
Te ka village code mo.
tengah suha stick bagi tiki kriteria bagi kali.
Teka kriteria yang bagi kuat ban pendon ha kita ki urban area seru. Ya kata ka village code nama mentahing UI bagi village code ki function betang sikinong dong te. Te Hapoh ka Hapoh snong Hapoh ki urban area pengi udang ba snong mo udang ka bor. Nama ki village code hi chairman udai udang ba snong bang. Te ngatarai Hapoh snong rung idon ka dor ba snong ka baklain. Te bun sien hi lada don kum kita ki jingyaken at ki berit ki beria Hapoh snong udang ba snong bat ka dor bar hi ki bun sien ki jupen ya baik ki jupen ya dunti ya kita hande lada don pat ka jingyaken at ka khamhe pat te ka don ka mo ka an ka bakham he bakilet pat kita ke